Hey everyone, welcome back to Nourish Cravings, where everyday ingredients turn into healthy, delicious masterpieces that fuel the body and soul. Today, the focus is on something classic but with a healthy twist: banana bread. Not just any banana bread. This one's packed with nutrients, low on refined sugars, and so moist it's easy to forget it's good for you. If dry, sugary loaves that lead to energy crashes are a concern, this recipe is a game changer. Who's ready to bake? Hit that like button if excited and let's get started. First things first. Why banana bread? Bananas are nature's candy, loaded with potassium for heart health, fiber for digestion, and natural sweetness that means cutting back on added sugars. Plus, this version uses whole wheat flour for extra fiber and nuts for healthy fats. It's perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even dessert. And the best part? It's super easy, beginner-friendly, and customizable. Got overripe bananas sitting on the counter? This is their destiny. If there's a banana bread horror story like a loaf that came out like a brick, drop it in the comments below. Let's laugh about it together. Alright, ingredients time. This makes one loaf, serving about 10 slices. Here's what's needed. 3 ripe bananas. The spottier, the better for that natural sweetness. 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil or olive oil for those healthy fats. 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, way better than refined sugar. 2 eggs, or flax eggs if vegan. Mix 2 TBSP ground flax with 6 TBSP water. 1 TSP vanilla extract for that cozy flavor. 1 3/4 cups whole wheat flour. Hello, whole grains. 1 TC baking soda, 1/2 tisp salt. 1 tisp cinnamon for warmth and blood sugar benefits. Optional add-ins: 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans for crunch and omega. 3S, a handful of dark chocolate chips for antioxidants, or some chia seeds for extra fiber. Pause the video if needed to jot this down, or check the description for the full printable recipe. Pro tip: measure everything out beforehand. It's called mise en place, and it makes cooking way more fun and less stressful. Before jumping in, why this is healthy. Traditional banana bread can have over 200 calories per slice with tons of empty carbs. This one? Around 150 calories with protein from eggs and nuts, fiber from whole wheat and bananas to keep full, and anti-inflammatory spices like cinnamon. It's gluten-free adaptable by swapping the flour, and dairy-free by default. If watching macros, this fits right into a balanced diet. Question: what's a go-to healthy swap in baking? Share in the comments. Hearing ideas is great. Transition: music swells as tools are gathered, mixing bowls, masher, loaf pan. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan with a bit of oil or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Now grab those ripe bananas. Peel them and mash in a large bowl with a fork or potato masher until mostly smooth. A few chunks are okay for texture. See how they're turning into this creamy base? That's the magic of bananas acting as a natural binder and sweetener. If the bananas aren't super ripe, pop them in the oven for 10 minutes to soften, but these are perfect today. Step 2. Add the wet ingredients. Pour in the melted coconut oil. It adds a subtle tropical vibe and healthy monounsaturated fats. Then drizzle in the honey. Stir it all together until combined. Crack in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Don't forget the vanilla extract. It elevates everything. As stirring happens, consider how these ingredients work together. The oil keeps it moist without butter, honey provides antioxidants, and eggs add structure and protein. If going vegan, those flax eggs will do the trick. They've got omega-3s too. Mix until all incorporated, but don't overdo it. Tender bread is the goal, not tough. Step 3. Time for the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the whole wheat flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Why separate? It ensures even distribution so no one bites into a clump of baking soda. Yuck! Slowly add the dry mix to the wet mix, stirring gently with a spatula. Fold it in. That's the key word here. Fold to keep the batter light. Now's the time for add-ins. Toss in walnuts for that satisfying crunch and heart-healthy benefits. Dark chocolate chips? Why not? They're full of flavonoids. Texture talk while mixing. The batter should be pourable but not runny, like thick pancake batter. If off, no worries. Baking is forgiving. Common mistake: Overmixing activates gluten, making it dense, so stir just until no flour streaks remain. Step 4. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Smooth the top with the spatula for an even bake. Optional. Sprinkle extra nuts or a dash of cinnamon on top for a pretty finish and added flavor. Tap the pan gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. This helps avoid big holes in the bread. Now, into the oven it goes. Bake for 50-60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Every oven is different, so start checking at 50 minutes. The kitchen will smell amazing. That's the bananas and cinnamon working their magic. The timer beeps. Remove from oven and let cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Close-up shot. Look at that golden crust and moist interior. Add-ins peek through perfectly. Taste test time. Soft, flavorful, with just the right sweetness. The cinnamon warms it up. Nuts add crunch. It's balanced and satisfying. This healthy banana bread proves delicious, can be nutritious, easy to make, budget-friendly, and crowd-pleasing. Try it this week and tag the channel in your bakes. If this inspired baking, subscribe for more recipes, hit the bell for notifications, and like if ready to mash bananas. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, keep cooking, and see you next time.